Today, this video is sponsored by Sparklehaircare. If you would like to get Sparklehaircare shampoo, you can go to www.sparklehaircare.com. Back to the Durham Twins.
Elmers Glow up in a dark Elmers Glow slime. And we have shaving cream. Yeah, shaving cream.
Okay, girls, so we're using Elmers Glue, and we have the glue kit. So let's get started. So start mixing your stuff up.
Wait, which one can I use?
You can go whatever order you want. It's still gonna work. So
I'm gonna use yellow.
So Jade is team yellow, and Kendall is team what?
Blue. Cause blue is my favorite color.
So let's get ready to start mixing up.
I got a lot more, Mommy. There was a lot. Use the activator.
Do you think yours gonna come out like slime? Cause you was not holding back on the ingredients.
Nope.
Okay, Kendall, can you go ahead and mix all your other stuff up, baby?
Gonna turn out to fluffy slime. It's gonna turn out to real fluffy slime. To real fluffy slime.
Do y'all think it's gonna glow up in the dark?
Yes. I might have to use my hands because comment down below if you like your hand you wanna have slime in the house.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this from the Durham Twins. And we can get this up to 1,000 likes and up to 1,000 subscribers. We would get the Durham Twins there on the channel. Kendall is getting done with her. That is a lot, honey. Okay, that's enough, Kendall. That is not whipped cream. That's enough.
A few moments later.
Cream, that's enough.
Mr. Marshmallow.
So did y'all have fun making slime?
Yeah!
Let me see it scratch.
What? It's like we're gonna turn it right up and see if it turned out great. If it light up.
Yes, let's see if the slime glow in the dark. So we're gonna cut the lights off on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Lights off.
Wow! Mine is so pretty. Mine's going up in the dark. Mine. It's so green and fluffy. It reminds me of a marshmallow. It reminds me of a squishy marshmallow.
It reminds me of Ghostbusters.
What is that?
It's a movie.
It's Ghostbusters. Like the Ghostbuster itself.
So we about to get ready to add glitter into here. So they added some glitter. Add some more of your glitter on there, and they're gonna mix.
Black glitter.
Jade took black glitter out of all the colors. She took black.
But I like blue.
Kendall got blue.
Cause blue is my favorite color.
Now mix it into your slime.
I
I think I should have added the glitter when y'all was mixing, but it wasn't gonna glow in the dark. Go ahead and fold
it. It
it.
doesn't sound like a brush.
fold it into it, Jade.
Can I get some more glitter?
Again, guys, if y'all like these videos, keep this video up to 2,000 likes and
Wait,
views.
maybe 2,000K.
2,000K likes and reviews.
Yes! This sticky slime is my favorite.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and get this video up to 2,000 views. We're a beginning YouTube channel. If y'all want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. More.
Peace out, guys. Peace out.
Thank y'all for watching the Durham Twins and Sparklehaircare video, where you get to get hair tip for your daughter and get to see the day in life and challenges from the Durham Twins. Goodbye, and remember, God love you. Follow us on YouTube, where you get to see the day in life of the Durham Twins, more Let's Talk hair videos with Sparklehaircare. Yes, we're all in one channel. Don't forget to subscribe.